Well, g'day viewers and welcome to this beautiful sunny Sunday. It's not a cloud in the sky. Well, there's a bit of wispy stuff over there, but yeah, it's just beautiful. About 21 degrees Celsius and blue skies, sunshine and light winds, so it's just fantastic. Wasn't planning on making a video today, but I thought I'd just show you what I've been sort of tinkering with my helmet. And that is this little setup on the back of my helmet here. Now, I'm experimenting because I went for a ride with my mate Phil yesterday to Bridgetown, and I find that with this new Arai helmet, I've been getting, it's sort of like, it's hard to describe, but it's sort of a bit of a pressure sensation on the helmet as I'm riding, especially when I've got this screen on. When I don't have this screen on, it's completely fine. The helmet just flows beautiful air, but with this screen, for some reason, the way the screen's set up, it just takes the air onto the helmet, and then the air sort of sucks onto the helmet and starts sort of pushing the helmet around a little bit, and I'll get a bit of a pressure sensation, and it's just sort of a bit of a reverberation inside the helmet. So it's not, it's not as nice as it could be. So I did make a bit of a discovery on the way back from Bridgetown yesterday when I was riding, in that I was just sort of, feeling the air coming off the screen and where it was sort of affecting the helmet as I'm riding. And I put my hand sort of up here in front of my helmet, on top of my helmet, back here, and the further I moved back, the better it got. I got to a point where it's sort of, I was just cupping the back of my helmet like that, and everything went away, and it was just, the helmet had no pressure on it, and I still had wind noise, but no pressure. It was just like, it's just like I was just sitting there wearing a helmet, and I wasn't riding in terms of pressure, so it was really good. So I thought, okay, if I can get something on the back of the helmet that that could just help break that airflow, it might just do the trick. And so when I got home, I checked my other Arai helmet, and sure enough, where this helmet's all smooth, the other Arai helmet has a piece of plastic in it, like a little spoiler, which draws air out through the top of the helmet. Now this draws air out through the base here. It's sort of a different design. And with that other helmet, it is much better with this screen on this bike, and I couldn't work out why they're both Arai helmets, why one would be better than the other, and that's it. That's definitely it. That little black vent combination spoiler on the back of the helmet is making a big difference with this bike, to the point where it's more comfortable to wear with this bike than my new Arai. So here it is, just something to break the air as I'm riding. And as I've been riding just here, I've been doing like 100 kilometers an hour, 60 miles an hour to get here, and it has definitely improved the sensation of the wind sort of getting hold of the helmet. The air's coming across, and this is just breaking the airflow and not letting it come back over the back here. I think what happens is it sort of hits the helmet, and the air sort of sucks onto the helmet, if you like, and then when it gets to the back here, it breaks up, and I get the turbulence, and that sort of shakes the helmet around a little bit. When I was riding here, I cupped my hand back over this, and as I was riding, and it did improve with my hand over it. So I think what I need to do is to make this just a little bit higher and shape it so it cups the air like that. So the piece will be a round piece angled back up this way, and it has like a cupping effect. I think that's going to be the way to go to solve that issue. So that'll be the next iteration of that. So my plan is to 3D print that in PETG, and then once I've got designed, print the final model and double-sided tape it to the helmet, and I reckon that's going to greatly improve the comfort of wearing this helmet. Now, as you can see, I'm getting closer to 5,000 kilometers and 4,858, I think it says there. Once I hit 5,000 Ks, I'll do a long-term review, or a 5,000 kilometer review, and let you know what I think of the bike. And how it's been going, and if there's been any issues, and whether you should buy an Indian Chief or not. Spoiler alert, it's been going fantastic, and still loving the bike. I will go over all the mods I've made, like handlebar, screen, seat, all that sort of stuff, and what's coming. I'm halfway to having the money together to get my pipes So that's coming. And then it'll be a sissy bar and some sort of pad on the back so I can take some luggage on the back of the bike. I want to be able to strap a taller bag to the back of the bike to just put gear in, and then I'm done. I'm very, very happy with where the bike is right now. Looking good, riding good, going good. Very, very happy. But I will do a 5,000 kilometre longer term review of the bike, and that'll be coming up this week, so I'll put those Ks on pretty quickly. Go over and have a look at the sheep. Got a few sheep in this paddock. I don't know if you can see those from there. They're not too fussed about my presence. Obviously used to having some people around. Alright, I'm going to knock it off there. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you for your continued support. And until next time, bye for now. Just realised my bike's on quite a lane there. If that was damp ground, I might be in trouble.